Okay, today we're going to work on learning how to tune our ukulele. And the strings are, from top to bottom, G, C, E, A. And an easy way to remember that is girls can eat apples. That's one way, or make up your own words for that acronym. And so we're going to start with our first dot, which is going to be our red dot, and we're going to play the G and the A, which is the outside strings. And you can hear how they sound the same. And then we're going to go to the next one, which is the green dot at the 7th fret. And the two strings are G and C, the two top strings. Go ahead and play them. Good. And I got that in tune there. And then our next string is going to be our purple dot. That'll be the two middle strings on the 4th fret. C and E. That's what we're playing there. And those sound in tune. And then at our 5th fret, the two bottom strings. Put your finger on the dot. And then go ahead and play those. Good. And that's at the 5th fret, the last two strings. E and A. And then, just to check it, we're going to go back to the red dot and check the outside string with that dot. So the two outside strings. Okay, that sounds pretty good. Good. So now what I'm going to talk about, I'm going to put this out of tune, and we're going to talk about how to tune it. When a string's out of tune, you have to tune up to it, meaning that the pitch is going to go up to the pitch that you want. So I'm going to do it again. And you have to match it with the string you're playing so we can hear what I'm tuning to. Does that make sense? So you're going to put your finger there. Okay, good. And play those two. Good, there we go. I'm going to do it again. See how I'm doing that? I'll just turn this. Turn right up to it. Okay, good. And if you're tuning on your own, I'm helping here, so that makes a difference. But if we're tuning, you would play both strings. And this hand will come up here and do the tuning. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Take it out for a little bit. Give that a crank. Now with that hand, you have to be able to hear the pitch, so you got to hold the notes, and then reach up there, play them real strong so you can hear both notes, and then just spin right up to it. Going too slow. Do it again. There you go. So you have to give it a crank. If you do it just a little bit at a time, you're not going to be able to hear whether you're getting in tune or not. You have to give it a nice crank. So let's do it again. That's out. So I tuned it almost 1/2 turn to get that. So yeah, if you tune too slowly, it's not going to work. Okay, good. That's how we tune our ukulele. And yeah, good luck with that.